Okay, here's a look at the emini S&P for Friday, October the 21st, 2011. Well, we finally got our convincing breakthrough above the 1215. Of course, last Friday we also closed above 1215, but now that we have tested it a couple of times over this past week and closed firmly above it, some 20 points approximately above it, I think we finally got this breakout higher that we've been looking forward to. So it was nice to see it move higher overnight. Of course, what we're looking for here, and what we like to use at emini Day Trader, are the market profiles. And this is yesterday's profile. This is today's. This is what occurred overnight. So you can see this 15 area. Here's 15 right here. So you can see that the market spent quite a bit of time overnight still below it, which of course is where we closed right here yesterday. But once it broke above the 15, it had a good move higher. As a matter of fact, overnight got up to 27.25 up here, and then opened a little bit lower, and then had a good move higher in the first part of the day. It did come down and make a new low for the day, approximately midway through the day or so, and then turn right around and test on the high late in the day where it closed. So market is looking strong. We're looking obviously at 15 as a key support area. Also at 27, should the market come down to that area, we think the market could find some support there as well. And we're really looking at 46 as the next target higher. So the market is looking pretty darn good. Of course, we're still subject to potential news. We don't have news scheduled for Monday, but anything, of course, can happen in Europe or wherever around the world, and cause some volatility. But in the meantime, things are certainly looking more bullish than not. You can see here our blue up arrows are the long trade, so these two are combined here. Had a nice bounce. Worked out fine. You can see this one came in here. It did pull against us a point and a half, but came right to the dot on our balance area low, and then had a good move higher. We had a short trade in here. Didn't get filled till later, but we didn't take it at that time because of the green filter. We did have, so this is the first trade. This is the second one. We had a third trade here, which was a short trade, but we didn't take this because, of course, I had been mentioning that the 23 to 24 area as support/resistance, and you can see that early in the session the market rested just above it. So as a result, we did not take this short trade here into that barrier. But what we did do for our third trade is take this long trade that was triggered right here. It did move up a point and a quarter before it backed off, so that trade turned out to be a break-even trade. Our fourth trade here today was the best one. You can see our fill was right here. Here's the up blue arrow with the text stating our entry price, and here's the dashed blue line, and there's our entry. It just came back, touched it, and just took it out by a tick, so beautiful fill on that. And the market had a really nice rally here, backed off a bit, and then finished the day here in a very strong fashion. So market is looking pretty good, and we do expect it to continue higher. That'll be it for today, for Friday, to close the week on a positive note. Any questions or comments, just get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader.com. Our phone number too is on the website at eminidaytrader.com. So other than that, have a really great weekend, and look forward to seeing you again on Monday.